Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blocks game. First, let's dive into the fundamental concepts. You'll need to decide on your game's core mechanics, such as how players will place and destroy blocks. Consider whether you want a two-dimensional or three-dimensional world. Selecting the right tools, like a game engine or programming language, is also a crucial early step. Planning your features carefully will set a strong foundation for your project. Now, let's focus on implementing the core mechanics. You'll need to create systems for generating and rendering your game's blocks, perhaps using a grid-based approach. Player controls are essential for movement, placing new blocks, and destroying existing ones. Think about how players will interact with the environment. Additionally, a robust save and load system ensures players can continue their adventures seamlessly, preserving their progress. To make your blocks game truly engaging, consider enhancing its features. You can introduce a variety of block types, each with unique properties, like different textures or resistances. Implementing a crafting system allows players to combine items and create new tools or structures. An inventory system helps manage these items efficiently. Don't forget to add immersive sound effects and background music to bring your game world to life. Finally, it's time to optimize and polish your blocks game. Performance optimization is key to ensuring a smooth experience, especially with many blocks on screen. Thoroughly test your game to catch any bugs or unexpected behaviors before release. Gathering feedback from players is invaluable. It helps you understand what works well and what needs improvement. A polished game provides a much more enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.